GM recommended replacement part for your GM vehicle's original factory component. Offering the quality, reliability and durability of GMOE. Manufactured to GMOE specification for fit, form and function. An ACDelco GM original equipment engine camshaft position sensor monitors the rotational position of the camshafts, and is a GM recommended replacement for your vehicle's original component. It provides a signal to the engine control module, which compares the camshaft position with the crankshaft position to determine ignition and fuel injection timing. This original equipment engine camshaft position sensor has been manufactured to fit your GM vehicle, providing the same performance, durability, and service life you expect from General Motors. Top reviews from the United States. Fixed my cam sensor codes. When I assembled my 5.3L, I use a cheap sensor and got 2 error codes for the cam sensor. Replaced the sensor with this AC Delco 1, and it fixed everything. You can also see from my photo that there is a very slight length difference between these two sensors. I believe that is partially what was throwing it off. I strongly recommend sticking with AC Delco cam and crank sensors always. I'll never make that mistake again.